What's going on, family? What's going on? Your welding coach, Joel Brown Jr. checking in, aka your welding coach. And I'm going live right now, fam. I'm at Arkansas Baptist College. And for those who want to get a tour of the META24 program, you need to contact me. Now, you want to get signed up to the program, you contact 501-420-1354. That's 501-420-1354. Those ladies will get you signed up in adult education. They're going to get you signed up to get into the program. But they don't control the touring. They're probably just going to give you the, go through the formalities with you, and that's about it. But if you want to tour the facility, if you want to tour the program, you want to see the welding lab, you want to see the META24, you want to learn more about the META24 program, I am the director over the program, fam. So I'm here in the flesh. You talk to me for that. You come up here trying to talk to them, you probably ain't going to get nowhere, because the college and the META24 program is integrated into the college, but it's separate. That makes sense? You know, it's the same, but it's separate. It's different. So if you want to learn more about the Meta, I can hook it up and I can get you a tour, walk you around. I can get you to meet the right people, or I can walk you around and do it myself personally. So if you want a tour, just contact me. You can inbox me, or you can call my business line, which is 501-400-5806. That's 501-400-5806. And I will personally give you a tour. Personally walk you around, let you see everything, and so that way you can kind of know what you're getting yourself into. Now, I'm in the science building right behind me. This is where I'm at. I'm in the science building. This is where the lab is. This is the gym. If you're familiar with the area, that's the gym, then the dorms. On the other side over there, you'll see the entrance. So you have to come through the center to get to the lab. And then in the library, fam, you got to come by the library. If y'all come here, stop by the library. Pick you up a t-shirt, a hoodie, a phone holder, something that the students have made in the META24 program, fam. Not only are we teaching trades, but they're making products and services and selling them. They got the opportunity to make money from their skill set, so they can go over here, build something, and then come over here and put it in the store and sell it. It's a win-win situation, fam, for those who are trying to win. But if you want a tour, all you have to do is hit me up, fam, and I'll walk you through the facility to show you the META24 program. So Fridays are the best day for that, because I don't have classes right now on the Friday, every other Friday. So like every other Fridays will be best for me to do a tour. So if you want to schedule a tour, it's going to be best to be on a Friday or after 1 o'clock right now, for the next 2 weeks right now. Anytime after 1 o'clock pretty much, or on a Friday, I can assist you with that. So if you need to do that, just inbox me or tell a friend or hit me up. And I do appreciate everybody coming out, showing love, sharing the posts. We're all Arkansas Baptist. We're all doing something new. The program is free. The only thing I say, fam, if you really want it, when you sign up, dedicate your time to it, fam. If you're not going to dedicate your time to it, fam, don't even sign up. Let the next person get this opportunity, because it's a great opportunity. So if you know you're going to sign up, you're only going to come 30% of the time, don't even do it. Don't even waste these people's time. And it's somebody that really want that seat, really want that blessing, fam. You need to be dedicated. 6 weeks, fam. Dedicated. It can change your life, but it ain't going to change your life unless you're dedicated, fam. So sign up, tell a friend, you need a personal tour. Hit me up. You can call me 501-400-5806. You can inbox me, and hey, I can walk you around the program, show you what we're doing, what we got going on, and that way you can assess everything for yourself. And so right now, we actually about to walk inside the welding lab. I was about to get ready to go take me a lunch, and I had one student, and I always say, you know, those who come in early and leave late normally be the ones that show out. So what we're going to do is, fam, I'm going to see if I can flip this camera around so I can show you the classroom. Bam, here we go. When you first walk into the classroom, it's pretty much what you get. We got educational material on the wall so you can learn that way. We're going to have 6 booths. We actually got 3 in operations right now, but when this next class comes, we got 6. So we're doing MIG welding in phase 1. It's an 80-hour course. MIG welding. I mean, not MIG welding, TIG welding. I'm sorry. TIG welding, phase 1, GTAW. That's what we do. But we do the intro to MIG in this phase. So you will get the intro to it, but we do TIG. And the goal is to be able to do lap joints, T-joints, and corner joints is what we were doing. And we're working on mild steel in this first phase. So that way you can kind of know what you're looking at. But this is the program. This is the lab. Like I said, we watch videos. We create things. This is what we do, the grinding, cutting. You see she's in the booth now making a mess. That's what that's for. You know what I'm saying? So you see we up in here getting to it, fam. So it's a great environment. Great learning environment. For those who want to get a walk around tour, like I say, just let me know. And I'll let you know what's going on, and we can set up a day so that way you can come in and check it out, fam. But this is the class. Like I say, our goal is to really help you learn welding in a 6-week setting, and we're going to have future blocks coming. This first block that we have available right now is TIG welding. And I know you probably want to, man, where you starting with TIG? Fam, you see how clean this environment is? We can weld TIG welding here and stay clean. Ain't a lot of smoke or nothing. So, you know what I mean? So we use it because we're inside of a science building. Soon we will be inside the shipping containers where we'll be doing the more of the smokier and dirtier processes. But right now we in the science lab because what we're doing, we're breaking the welding process down. This is not high school, fam. Not high school. We're breaking it down. We want to know why not, and what happened if we thought we did what would work, but it won't work. That's what we're doing in here, fam. It's a science lab. So we're breaking it down. We want to understand welding. We want to dissect it so that way you can leave here, get a job, start a side hustle, or create your business, fam. Whatever you're trying to do. But we're trying to do something different here. So if you want to learn more about it, just hit me up. I can give you a personal tour of the META24 program, founded by Dr. Prince. You need to check it out, learn more about the program. Please learn more about the program. It's like 8 to 11 different curriculums within inside the program. So you need to check it out, fam. So great opportunities here in your backyard. Arkansas Baptist College is free for those who can get into the program, which is a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? So take advantage of the opportunity. Only thing I say is when you sign up, just dedicate your time. That's it. That's all I say, fam. Don't sign up and waste the time because someone else could use that seat. But my personal number to get a tour, my business number to get a tour is 501-400-5806. Call me up and we can schedule a tour. Hog on.